Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are all doing great and full of energy. Today, we are going to talk about something that is around us, but sometimes we forget to appreciate. That is nature. Our topic is get in touch with nature, which means connecting ourselves with the natural world. Get in touch with nature is not only refreshing, but also important for our mental and emotional health. It helps us feel calm, reduce stress, and appreciate life more deeply. When we are surrounded by nature, our mind naturally starts a train of thoughts, of love, of ideas and reflections. It could be memories, inspiration, or even creative ideas. Here, what we will learn today. Definition. What does get in touch with nature mean? A vocabulary in use. Words relate to nature, forest, mountain, ocean, and grasslands. Benefits of getting in touch with the nature. Why it's good for us? Grammar in use. Present simple tense and there is or there are. And the last quiz. Let's check our understanding. First, we will discuss about definition. Get in touch with nature is an activity that involves interacting directly with the natural environment, such as walking in the forest, climbing mountain, or visiting the beach. The goal is to experience the beauty, tranquility, and benefits of nature. So, simply, get in touch with nature means spending time outside to enjoy the fresh air, the green trees and sound of birds, on the waves at the beach. It's about relaxing and feeling happy while being close to nature. Next, vocabulary in use. Let's learn some words related to nature. The first, forest. A forest is a large area covered with trees and other plants, providing a home for a variety of animals and plants. The example, I saw many birds in the forest. A forest is a wooded area. Imagine a place full of tall trees, fresh air, and the sound of birds everywhere. In the forest, many animals, such as monkeys, deer, or birds live. Forests are also very important because they produce the oxygen we breathe every day. Second, mountain. A mountain is a high elevation on the Earth's surface, usually with cool air and beautiful scenery. For example, we climbed the mountain last weekend. A mountain is a high elevation rising above the surface of the Earth. The air on a mountain is usually cold, and the views are breathtakingly beautiful. Many people climb mountains for adventure and to enjoy the scenery from above. Mountains also have unique ecosystems, such as the edelweiss flower, which can only grow in certain regions. Third, ocean. The ocean is a vast body of salt water, home to a wide variety of fish and other marine life. For example, the ocean is blue and beautiful. The ocean is a vast body of water that covers most of the Earth's surface. Its water is salty and It is home to a wide variety of fish, coral reefs, turtles, and other marine life. The ocean also provides many benefits, such as uh, its water is salty, and it is home to a wide variety of fish, coral reefs, turtles, and other marine life. Ocean also provides many benefits, such as a source of food, transportation routes, and tourist destinations. Next, the last, grasslands. Grasslands are large areas covered with grass, often used as a habitat for wild animals or livestock. The example: cows eat grass in the grasslands. Grasslands are vast areas covered with grass. In the wild, grasslands are often home to zebras, deer, or elephants. On farms, grasslands are used to feed cows or goats. These areas are usually open with few trees and are very important for the balance of the ecosystem. Next benefit of getting in touch with nature. First, increases creativity and inspiration. Nature can help us think more creatively and find new ideas. Sometimes, when we feel bored or run out of ideas, taking a walk in nature can refresh our minds. For example, observing the colors of flowers or listening to the sound of water can inspire us to write, draw, or create something. Nature has a unique way of helping us think outside the box. Next, reduce stress and improve mood. Fresh air and beautiful scenery can make us feel more relaxed and happy. When when we feel stressed because of schoolwork or work, going out into nature can calm our heart. Imagine sit on the beach, feeling the gentle breeze or walking in a cool forest. Such as atmosphere can help us forget our problems for a moment and make us feel more positive. Next, boosts physical health through outdoor activities. Hiking, swimming, or cycling outdoors makes our body healthier. Being active in nature is actually the same as exercising, only the atmosphere is more enjoyable. When we climb mountains, swim in the sea, or cycle in the park, our bodies move actively so that our muscles and heart become strong. In addition, we also get morning sunlight, which is good for our health. The next helps us feel more connected to the world. Nature remind us that we are part of something bigger than ourselves. Nature teaches us that we are a small part of a vast world. When we see tall mountains or endless oceans, we realize that life is not just about ourselves. There are many other living creatures that share the earth with us, so we must protect and respect nature. Next, grammar in use. Present simple tense. Used to express general facts, habits, or things that are always true. Often used used when talking about nature because the nature of nature is usually constant and repetitive. The example: the forest provides food for many animals. Mountains are home to wild goats. Various or there are used to indicate the existence of something. There is used for singular nouns. There are is used for plural nouns. The example: there is a waterfall in the forest. And there are many trees in the grassland. Next, we will try some quizzes. Let's check your understanding. 1. Choose the correct word to complete this sentence. The blah 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 is full of tall trees, animals, and plants. A. Mountain. B. Forest. C. Ocean. D. Grassland. What is the correct answer? Yes, B. Correct. A forest is an area with many trees and rich biodiversity. Next, choose the correct sentences. A. The ocean is very deep and wide. B. The oceans are very deep and wide. C. The ocean is very deep and wide. D. The ocean very deep and wide. What the correct answer? Correct. The answer is C. The ocean is very deep and wide. Ocean is singular, so its use is as the correct verb to be. So, to sum up, getting in touch with nature means enjoying and appreciating the natural world around us. We have learned with vocabulary, grammar, and benefits of nature. I hope after this lesson, you can spend more time outdoors, maybe walking in the park, hiking in the mountains, or just enjoying the sunshine. Remember, nature is not just beautiful, but also important for our health and happiness. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to take a moment today to get in touch with nature. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.